Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So till the last video, it was related to the part three. In the last video, we had discussed how can we move the changes and commit from one instance to another instance via opening the commit connection from one instance to another instance. So today, let's try to discuss the topic: how do you create and merge to update sets, and also how can you move these to next instance, let's say from dev to QA by using XML. So how can we do it? Let's quickly see in a short way. Okay, give me a moment. Let me go to my instances and quickly I will be creating updates it, and let's start working on them. So let's go to local update sets and I will say new. So for now I will be creating two update set, that is check one something I am giving. Okay, and just make it current. Remember the name check one, and I will go to quickly incident. So this is already being discussed, guys. Okay, the last video we had discussed, you don't need to worry, you can check out the last video. Okay, for now I will try to add one field here. Okay, field is check one. Okay, field I am adding it. Let's add it. Save it. So in this check one update set, what I had did, I had go to form and I have been added one of the check field. Now again I will try to take up another update set. Okay, I will end this update set. I will go to local update set and I will be going to check one update set. Okay, check one update set, open it and close it, complete, save it. So now again I am going to be create one more update set, that is check 2, because we need to merge the two update sets, remember. Okay, this is check 2. Okay, check to make it current. Okay, for every standards, okay, please watch the last video, link in the description. Okay, you don't need to worry. I will go to incident form. I will be adding one more field here. Okay, here I will add check 2 and add it, and you can arrange it. Okay, see on the form. Okay, on the form you will be seeing two things. Okay, you will be seeing two fields. So this field is captured in check update set 1 and this is captured in the update set 2, but both, instead of individually commit them into the next level environment, that is QA. Let's assume i wanted to be I wanted to be make it both merge it and move it to the QA individually. I don't want it to be do it individually, both update sets I wanted to be merged and move into the next instance, that is QA, by using XML only, not connections. Remember, that's what we are going to be discussed in this video. Okay, two update sets. So now I will come to my part. Okay, so I need to merge two update sets. Before that I need to make this to the complete. Okay, update set 2 is also check 2 is also complete. Next I will go to, okay, merge update sets. And next, here you can filter out what updates it should be merged. Okay, here I will be giving some proper naming convention. Check 1, check 2, something I am giving. Here I am merging, so I need to filter out the names with status. Okay, status or names. I will be go ahead with the state. Okay, for now complete. Okay, run it. Okay, see here, this is merged. Okay, these two I wanted to be merged, and this also. If I click on the merge, these three will be merged out. Okay, this is already, which is already created. Let's try to merge it. Okay, let's try to merge it. Are you sure want to merge these three update sets? Let's try to click on OK. Okay, now this is the update set. Okay, is having this is the update set where it is having all the customer updates related to both three. Okay, we had much three update sets: check one, check two, and other one is tier 1, 2, 3. So those customer updates are stored here. That's what the statement. Now I wanted to be much update set to the next instance via XML. So now we had discussed merge update sets. Merge update sets is done, just merging the multiple update sets. Okay, you can do it from your end. And next, what shall I do? I can come back. Okay, what can I do? I will complete it and save it. Okay, once the moment you will be clicking on the save, you will be seeing one option called export to XML. This is most important. I will be clicking on export to XML. Okay, the file is downloading. Sys underscore remote underscore update underscore set, and this XML is downloading. See here. Okay, this XML will be uploaded in next environment. So I will be moving to the QA. So for now, go to retrieve update sets in the QA environment and click on the import from the Excel. Import update set from Excel. You just see here this part. Click on it. Choose it. Okay. I will go to downloads. This I need to be updated. Click on upload it. See, now what is happened ma? Check 1 and check 2 also loaded, and click on it. Okay, preview it. Failed it 100%. It's okay, we will see what went wrong. Okay, see here, there are errors. So how many errors are there? Two errors. In the last video also I had shown you. You can just click on the errors, and for now accept remote update and update it. Click on update it. Next, I will go to one more error and I will set accept remote update and click on update. Okay, now I will commit it. Whenever I click on the commit, okay, before you see, you won't be seeing check 1, check 2 options here, but the moment I click on commit update sets, you will be seeing it. You will be seeing retrieve update set, check 1 and check 2 is committed. Now go to the form and see it. See, now check 1 and check 2, or made move to the dev to QA. So that is how you will be used. XML also. XML mostly it would be also simple. Both you can be utilize it, but in this video you have learned how to merge it and how to move via XML. Okay, this is all about update sets playlist. You can check out our channel. There I actually every video I had mentioned part 1, part 2, part 3. This is part 4, last one. Okay, in the moving forward, after once I had finished all the playlist, I will try to make the interview question on each and every topic. and divided into the playlist. Thank you. Thank you so much. Subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.